Hi, I'm Pete, and this is Eat It Pete's. And today we did a 3.5 pound brisket in a crock pot. We ran 6 hours on low and then just let it go to keep warm until we got home and we're ready to eat. It went about 8 hours, maybe a pinch over altogether. Gonna get it out of here and get it on the cutting board and we can slice it up. Kind of see there were no juices put in there this morning. It was just some onions, seasoned it down with some seasoned salt, and then got it cooking. Get this out of the way. That turned out nice. It was really simple. Thanks.